So integral of trigonometric function. Before I fill in this table, let's go over the derivative of trig functions. Okay, look at the derivative of trig function. What do you know? Remember, integration is opposite of differentiation. So meaning that since if you differentiate the left hand side, you get the right hand side. The same way, if you integrate the right hand side, you get back to the original function. So with this, we are going to key in this. Now, if you integrate this, it gives us this. But remember, assuming you are to integrate cos u, is now the answer is now sine u over u prime. Do you get? So if you integrate sine u, is now cos minus cos u over u prime. Integrate sec squared is now tan u over u prime. So that's what we're going to do. So here now, if you integrate sine u, remember when you differentiated cos u, it gave us minus u prime sine u. So if you integrate sine u now, it's now cos u over minus cos u over u prime. So this is now minus cos u over u primes. Again, when differentiated sine, it gave us u prime cos u. So if you integrate cos u, is now sine u over u prime. So the same way, it differentiated tan u, gave out u prime sec squared. So if you integrate sec squared, it is now tan u over u prime. So are you getting the logic? See the formal table for differentiation. So I'm just making the left hand side cos is subject of formula, so just that's it. So again, if you integrate tan u sec u, if you integrate tan u sec u, is now sec u over u prime. So the same way, if you integrate cosec squared u, is now minus cos u over u prime. So finally, if you integrate cos u cosec u, you now have minus cosec u over u prime. Just the opposite. Going back, differentiation, see it. So that's it. So this is the table of, let's now solve some example to illustrate this. So example, if you have to evaluate this, so without wasting time, the first one, the integral of sine 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. Remember, if you integrate sine, is minus cos. Remember, sine u, so our u is that this is 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 over the derivative of the inside. Look at the table. This is u now, so over u prime. So this is now, so if you differentiate this is 4x plus 3. Remember, plus constant. Always put, because this is an indefinite integral, always put plus constant. So that's it. So in the table we need to add plus constant in the table. Or is so that's it. So the second question. So the integral of x squared, 6x plus 5, the x, okay, we forgot the x here, is, if you integrate sec is tan, so we have tan 6x plus 5 over, if you differentiate the inner one, which is 6 plus k. So that's it. It's very simple.